Good morning to all. This is your English period. Take out your English notebook, pencil and eraser. Students, you learned about A sound, E sound and I sound words. Today, we will revise some more exercises. So, let's start today's class. Today's date is 18th November 2020. And your first revision work is rhyming words. Yes. And what is rhyming words? Ending words are same. You check the first set of words are pen, men. And third word is pen, men, T-E-N, 10. Bid, mid, L-I-D, lid. Set, let, set, bet, L-E-T, let. Bin, tin, P-I-N, pin. Red, bed, F-E-D, fed. K-E-G, keg, P-E-G, peg and third word E-G family word L-E-G, leg. Good. Lip, tip, sip, S-I-P, sip. Nib and eighth, nib, rib, B-I-B, bib. I-B, ib family words. Wet, jet and M-E-T, met. B-I-T, bit, S-I-T, sit and L-I-T, lit or K-I-T, kit or B-I-T, bit, B-I-T, bit, S-I-T, sit, K-I-T, kit, P-I-T, bit. Your next next exercise is circle the odd one out. Okay, start. First, L-I-P, lip, T-I-P, tip, T-A-P, tap and Z-I-P, zip. Tap is an odd word, so circle the tap word. Bed, red, fed, mid. Mid is a different sound word, ID family word, so mid is a odd word. Then pen, bin and men. You are very intelligent students. B-I-N, bin is a different sound words. Kid, bed, rid and mid. Bed is a ED family words and other word kid, rid and mid is ID, id family words. Next, bib, nib, rib and lip, L-I-P, I-P, ip family word. So, lip is a different circle, lip. Number 6, jet, wind, wet and net. Wind is a IN family word. So, circle the win. Win is a odd word. Bin, den, tin and pin. Den, D-E-N, den is a odd word. Dad, fed, red and wed. Dad is a odd word. Bag, keg, leg and big. EG family word, EG family word, EG family word and AG family word. So, bag is a different sound word, AG is a word family. So, bag is a odd word. Yes. And your revision is, let's make a word chain using the last letter of each word. Use the picture clues. Yes. Student, this is a picture of bin. And what is the spelling of bin? B-I-N, bin. You start next word with letter N. And this is a picture of net. What is the spelling of net? N-E-T, net. T. And this is a picture of tip. T-I-P, tip. P, last word is P. And here is the picture of pin. And what is the spelling of pin? P-I-N, pin. Next, N, nib. N-I-B, nib. Your next crossword is lip. L-I-P, lip. P-A-N, P. P-A-N, pan. N-E-T, net. T. T-E-N, ten. N-I-B, nib. And B-E-D, bed. Okay, bye बच्चे.